Are you ready to gain expertise in business analytics? If so, this Power BI training course is for you. You will master key concepts like Power BI Desktop, Power BI DAX, Power BI Q&A, to name a few. You will quickly know how to connect to a data source and extract data from various sources and establish connection with Power BI Desktop, perform transformation operations on data in the role of query editor in Power BI. You will learn how to create interactive dashboards through Azure, HD Sparks, MySQL. This certification course will help you understand about Power BI report servers and data gateways. Also, you will learn about web portal in which you display and manage reports and KPIs. Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It provides interaction visualization with self-service business intelligence capabilities, where end users can create reports and dashboards by themselves without having to depend on any information technology staff or database administrator. It offers data modeling capabilities, including data preparation, data discovery, and interactive dashboards. This course will help you to become a Power BI expert. It will enhance your skills by offering you comprehensive knowledge on Power BI and the required hands-on experience for solving real-time, industry-based Power BI projects. You will be trained by expert instructors to use and implement custom visuals, master Power BI embedded in Workday's collection, understand DAX and SSBI, and much more. So if you're passionate about business intelligence, data visualization, and data analytics, this will be an excellent course to check out even for project managers, data scientists, business intelligence managers, or business analysts. Thanks for taking time to sit through this tutorial, and I hope you find it beneficial in furthering education in Microsoft BI. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also check me out on Facebook under Marky Williams, where I also will have online certification page there. Many thanks Ben Sound for his unbelievable royalty-free music beats. Please check him out at bensound.com. His link will be below in the description as well. Many thanks. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.